Basics, I must know things to get started. Investing versus trading. Investing. Goal is to gradually build wealth over long period of time. Trading. Goal is to consistently take profits from markets. Investing. Profits only on buy side. Trading. Profits on buy and sell side. Investing. Focus on value. Trading. Focus on price. Investing. Buy and hold for one-time large profits. Trading. Frequent buying and selling for regular profits. Investing. Fundamental analysis of stocks. Trading. Technical analysis of stocks. Investing. Passive involvement in market. Trading. Active involvement in market. Types of analysis. Market analysis. Different types of market analysis are fundamental, technical, and intermarket analysis. What is fundamental analysis? Fundamental analysis is a method to evaluate the intrinsic value or ideal share price of a company. Fundamental analysis does not care whether others are buying or not. It tells whether others should be buying. It is good for investing. Price may move a lot later when others also start to see the value of the company. What is technical analysis? Technical analysis is the method of analyzing markets by finding trends and patterns in the market-generated data. What matters most in technical analysis is the price. Technical analysts try to predict what others are doing rather than what others should be doing. Using a broker's terminal. What are the important terms used in broker terminal? Watch list. Order types are market order, limit order, stop loss order. Different trade types are intraday, delivery, square off, long trade, short trade. Other terms to know are order book, trade book, net positions. Understand these terms and learn how to view and execute on your broker's terminal. Starting steps. Irrespective of the broker one uses, the basic services and terminals remain the same. Given here are the steps to be followed to start trading. Open account with the broker. Make sure to choose segment to trade, equity, F&O, commodity. Transfer money in your broker account. Add script/shares to trade in your watch list. Learn how to place different type of orders, limit, stop loss, market etc. Buy or sell by placing orders on the broker's terminal. Check order book and trade book for placed orders. Check positions for current profit/loss on positions. Square off to exit current positions. Example of broker's terminal, Zerodha. The below articles explains how to use the terminals of Zerodha, one of the leading brokers in India. There are lots of sample videos for all brokers available on YouTube. Check them out for your broker. Instrument selection. What to trade? Trading instruments. There are many trading instruments available for traders. The most common ones are listed here. Most traders prefer stocks and derivatives for trading. Stocks, index and stock derivatives, futures and options, commodities, currency, interest rates. Choosing the right instrument to trade. Factors to consider while choosing an instrument to trade. Liquidity. Instrument should be highly liquid, i.e. volumes traded should be high enough to ensure tight bid and ask spreads. Volatility. There should be medium to high volatility in the instrument to be tradable. Correlation. Instrument which have a good correlation with their sector and/or index are easier to follow and trade. Widely researched instruments. Instruments which are widely researched and traded are less likely to be manipulated, have higher liquidity and in general move in less chaotic manner. End of basics.